Precision manufacturing, utilizing advanced injection molding and LED embedding techniques. We deliver collars with flawless craftsmanship. 4. Global shipping. Expedited delivery options ensure your pet's new accessory arrives promptly. Why choose 80 Flashing? 17 years of experience. Trusted by pet owners and retailers worldwide. Safety certified. Products meet international safety standards, CE, RoHS. Customer-centric. 24/7 support for customization inquiries and after-sales service. Bulk orders welcome. Competitive pricing and flexible MOQs for wholesalers and brands. Illuminates your pet's world with innovation. Transform your dog's collar into a statement piece that combines safety, fun, and personal style. Contact Dog Collar Manufactory today to start designing a collar that truly shines literally and figuratively. Let the lights and sounds speak for your pet's personality.